Well, guess what, everybody? It's time to plant potatoes.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Wait a
So
minute.
yeah, so they're called seed potatoes.
Are
They
these potatoes or seeds?
Yeah, well, they call them seed potatoes. We're gonna plant these a foot apart in the row here, and they'll start growing in about, let's say, around July, end of July, August. We'll start getting potatoes.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Wait, are these seeds or potatoes?
They call them seed potatoes because they're left over from the potatoes to grow in the garden. They put a special powder on them to keep them from rotting, and we'll show you how we plant them. So Carter,
Yeah.
we're going to plant potatoes every foot apart.
Okay.
So we've got 14 feet here. How many potatoes do you think we're going to plant?
I think we're gonna plant 14.
You're pretty close to it. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and put these starting here. So every 12 inches, you want to lay one in there, okay? 12. What's after 12?
24.
Yep, exactly. Yep.
60.
36.
36.
36,
looks like-
36 plus 12 is 48. All right, let's get some more here. And I made a trench, about a 6-inch trench. I'm going to kind of put them in the middle of the Carter. That's right. Keep laying them out there. And right there, yep, right there, you got it. So Carter, I didn't have quite enough of the whole potatoes. The reason why I like using whole potatoes is a lot of times they rot when you cut them in half. So I get smaller ones, but this here I had to cut them in half. So I'm not going to bury these right away. I'm going to let them sit in the sun for a few days so they get nice and dried up, and then we'll go ahead and put them down here. This is left over from potatoes that grew last year. It'll still grow. It has the roots, so it'll get going. So here's the next thing we're going to do, Carter. These are called red norlands, by the way. They're red potatoes. One of Nana's favorite potatoes. Potato salad, grill on the grill. They're delicious. So here's what we're going to do next. Need your help now, Carter.
Mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes, sure.
My
Okay, so
favorite
now-
type of potato.
Next thing I like to do, I like to kind of push these in a little bit. So can you go along and just kind of push them in, okay? Yeah, just gently, not smash them. Just push them down a little bit. A little pressure. The next thing that we got to cover, I'm going to show you. You can take the dirt here.
I know how to.
Just a couple inches like that, okay? Not a lot.
I want.
Actually, we're great if you go push it this way.
Okay, I've got
Like that,
it.
okay? There we go. Push along. You got it, Carter. Just push on top each one. That is it. And in about 2 weeks, they'll start shooting out some sprouts, and then we'll put more dirt around them as they start getting taller. Yeah, I want to cover them up. That's right.
Good job, Carter.
Good job. Yep. Yes, children love planting potatoes. And the fun part, Carter, is what? Harvesting later, right? Absolutely. Harvesting potatoes later is a lot of fun. We'll leave those open for now because we're going to let them dry out for a couple days, and then I'll cover those up.
Okay.
How you like that, Carter?
Good. It was fun.
Yeah? Do you want to do another row?
Yeah.
Okay, I got another one behind. These here are called, hold on, I think they're Yukon Gold. We love Yukon Golds. Oh, they make good mashed potatoes. All right, let's do the next ones here, okay? Come along. Wow, Carter, that was a lot of work. That's beautiful. Gotta get you some water pretty soon, huh? So Carter, you want to know what's in the middle here?
What?
Over here, look over here. Let's let people know we did in here. This middle section here, we planted leeks. Okay, so what I did is I went ahead and put a 2 rows of leeks in, about 14, 15 feet apart, inches apart, I mean. And we're gonna have these things coming up probably in about 3 weeks. We keep the burlap on top. It keeps the moisture in. I don't have to worry about them drying out because leeks only get planted about this deep, about 1/4 inch. So I make advantage of space this way by having the middle for the leeks. Potatoes grow on the edges, and then come August, Potatoes are done, and now we got a lot of room for the leeks to grow. It
Wow.
works pretty good. It's called interplanting. Yeah. So hey, how'd you like that today? Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, I appreciate your help, Carter. And let's say goodbye to everybody. And looking forward to having more videos together. What do you think next thing we should do in the garden?
Maybe we can plant a lettuce.
Plant lettuce. That'd be a good thing. I have some coming up next year. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you everybody for watching. And looking forward to your comments below. Any questions about planting potatoes or leeks? Ask away. I'd like to know how you plant your potatoes and leeks and what you do. See a lot of different ways of doing it. And enjoy your day and happy gardening. Bye.
Bye.